Hello, and welcome back to the 30-day real-life English speaking challenge. I'm George, and I'm happy you're here. Today is day 2 of our challenge. Today, we're practicing English at the supermarket. When you go shopping, you may need to find a product, ask about the price, compare two products, or pay for your groceries. The simple English in this lesson will help you do these things more confidently. During this 30-day challenge, we'll practice 30 different everyday situations. You don't need to memorize difficult grammar. Listen carefully, notice the useful phrases, and practice saying them aloud. First, you'll hear a natural conversation between a customer and a supermarket employee. After that, I'll explain some useful phrases and everyday words. Then we'll practice 10 important sentences together. Don't worry if you don't understand every word the first time. Listen for the main idea and notice how the speakers use simple English. Here is today's listening question. Today's question: what kind of milk does Laura buy? Listen carefully and write your answer in the comments. We'll check the answer together at the end. If you're enjoying this challenge, subscribe and join me for all 30 days. Now listen to Laura as she shops at a supermarket. Remember to stay until the end for the speaking practice and the answer to today's question.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for milk.
The milk is in aisle 5.
Sorry, did you say aisle 9?
No, aisle 5.
Oh, aisle 5. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's near the cheese.
Could you show me where it is?
Sure, it's this way.
Thank you. I don't know this supermarket very well.
No problem. Here's the milk section.
Do you have whole milk?
Let me check.
Okay.
I'm sorry, the whole milk is sold out.
Oh, I see. What other kinds do you have?
We have low-fat milk and skimmed milk.
What's the difference?
Low-fat milk has a little fat. Skimmed milk has almost no fat.
I usually buy whole milk.
Low-fat milk may be a good choice for you.
All right. I'll take the low-fat milk.
Would you like a small or large bottle?
How much is the large bottle?
It's $3.50.
And how much is the small one?
It's $2.
I'll take the large bottle, please.
Good choice. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I also need some eggs.
They're beside the milk.
I can see them. Do you have a box of 6?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Oh, one of these eggs is broken.
I'm sorry about that. Let me get another box for you.
Thank you.
Here you are. These eggs are fine.
Great. I also need some rice.
The rice is in aisle 7.
Which brand do you recommend?
This one is very popular.
How much is it?
The large bag is $8.
That's a little expensive. Do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, this smaller bag is $5.
How much rice is in the bag?
It contains 2 kilograms.
That's enough for me. I'll take it.
Is that everything?
I think so. Where can I pay?
You can pay here. This register is open.
Perfect.
You have 1 bottle of milk, 1 box of eggs, and 1 bag of rice.
That's right.
The total is $16.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please tap your card here.
All right.
The payment has gone through.
Great. Could I have a bag, please?
Certainly. Would you like a paper bag or a reusable bag?
A paper bag, please.
Here you are.
How much is the bag?
It's free.
That's good. Could I have the receipt, please?
Of course. Here's your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well done. Now let's look at 10 useful phrases from the conversation. Number 1. Could you help me? Use this when you politely need someone's help. You can say, "Could you help me find the milk?" "Could you help me carry this?" "Could you help me, please?" Number 2. I'm looking for. Use this when you are trying to find something. You can say, "I'm looking for milk." "I'm looking for the bread section." "I'm looking for a large bag of rice." Number 3. Could you show me where it is? Use this when you want someone to take you to a product or place. You can say, "Could you show me where it is?" "Could you show me where the eggs are?" "Could you show me where I can pay?" Number 4. Do you have? Use this to ask if something is available. You can say, "Do you have whole milk?" "Do you have fresh bread?" "Do you have a smaller bag?" Number 5. Let me check. This means the person needs a moment to look for information. You may hear a supermarket employee say, "Let me check the price." "Let me check if we have more." "Let me check for you." Number 6. I'll take. Use this when you have decided what you want to buy. You can say, "I'll take the large bottle." "I'll take this one." "I'll take 2, please." Number 7. How much is it? Use this to ask the price of one thing. You can also name the product. How much is the milk? How much is this bag of rice? How much is the paper bag? Number 8. Which one do you recommend? Use this when you want someone to help you choose. You can say, "Which brand do you recommend?" "Which one do you recommend?" "Which type of milk do you recommend?" Number 9. Do you have a cheaper one? Use this when something costs too much and you want a less expensive option. You can say, "Do you have a cheaper one?" "Do you have a cheaper brand?" "Is there a cheaper option?" Number 10. Can I pay by card? Use this to ask if the shop accepts card payments. You can also say, "Can I pay in cash?" "Can I pay with my phone?" "Can I pay here?" Now, let's learn 10 everyday words from the conversation. Number 1. Aisle. An aisle is the space between the shelves in a supermarket. The eggs are in aisle 5. Number 2. Section. A section is an area where you can find a particular kind of product. The eggs are in the dairy section. Number 3. Sold out. If something is sold out, the shop does not have any left. The whole milk is sold out. Number 4. Low fat. Low-fat food or drink contains only a small amount of fat. I'd like a bottle of low-fat milk. Number 5. Brand. A brand is the name of the company that makes a product. Which brand do you recommend? Number 6. Broken. Something that is broken is damaged and cannot be used properly. One of the eggs is broken. Number 7. Cheaper. Cheaper means costing less money. Do you have a cheaper one? Number 8. Register. A register is the place where you pay for your shopping. This register is open. Number 9. Total. The total is the complete amount you need to pay. The total is $16.50. Number 10. Receipt. A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Could I have the receipt, please? Now it's time to practice speaking. This practice is called shadowing. Listen to each sentence and say it aloud. Try to copy the rhythm and pronunciation. I'll give you the normal sentence first, then I'll divide it into natural speaking parts. Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for milk.
I'm looking for milk. Could you show me where it is? Could you show me where it is? Do you have whole milk? Do you have whole milk? How much is the large bottle? How much is the large bottle? I'll take the large bottle, please. I'll take the large bottle, please. Which brand do you recommend? Which brand do you recommend? Do you have a cheaper one? Do you have a cheaper one? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Could I have the receipt, please? Could I have the receipt, please? Now it's your turn to speak. Imagine you're at a supermarket. You need to buy milk, bread, and fruit, but you don't know where they are. Complete these sentences out loud. I'm looking for. Could you show me where is? Do you have? How much is? I'll take, please. Can I pay by? Could I have, please? Try to create your own supermarket conversation. Speak out loud even if you make a mistake. The goal is to use the English you learned today. Okay, it's time to check our question. At the beginning, I asked, what kind of milk does Laura buy? The answer is, Laura buys low-fat milk. The whole milk was sold out, so Ben recommended low-fat milk. Laura chose a large bottle. Did you get the correct answer? Well done. If you didn't, that's okay. Listen to the conversation again and try one more time.
Congratulations! You've completed day 2 of the 30-day real-life English speaking challenge. Today, you practiced shopping at a supermarket. You learned how to find products, ask about prices, compare different options, ask for a cheaper product, and pay for your shopping. Practice the conversation again if you can. Every time you listen and speak, you become a little more comfortable using English. Don't worry about speaking perfectly. Focus on using simple, clear sentences that people can understand. If you're following this challenge, write Day 2 complete in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your answer to today's question. Then continue to Day 3, where we'll practice buying clothes. You'll learn how to ask for your size, choose a color, try something on, and decide what to buy. I'm George. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep listening, keep speaking, and I'll see you in Day 3.